In a quaint corner of the old city, there was a grand mansion that everyone called the Mansion of Love. Residing there was a beautiful girl named Zainab, whose eyes sparkled with dreams and whose face radiated innocence. One day, Zainab received a mysterious letter that filled her heart with excitement. The letter read, "If you can recognize the sincerity of my heart, come to the rooftop of the old mansion under the moonlit night tomorrow. I will be waiting for you, your secret keeper." Zainab's heart raced with anticipation, and she read the letter several times. Finally, she decided that she wanted to uncover the mystery. As the night fell, the moon beamed brightly over the rooftop. Zainab, with silent footsteps, made her way there. She found Ali standing under the moon's glow, an old childhood friend who had secretly cherished her for long. Zainab's eyes brimmed with surprise as Ali presented a beautiful rose, confessing, "This was all my plan, Zainab. I knew you wouldn't easily notice my heart, so I crafted this enchanting letter and the mystery around the old mansion. But my feelings are true." For a moment, Zainab said nothing. Then she burst into a gentle laugh. "Ali, you are so clever. Was all this your trick?" Ali bowed his head. "Yes, but my intentions are pure. My heart is yours." In the silver glow of the moonlight, their faces shone brightly. Zainab accepted the rose and replied, "If this trick was meant for love, then I forgive you." And so, a delightful whimsy bound them together forever.